What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for yet another video. Today I'm going to try to bring back some life into these plastic parts on the Land Rover, possibly the windshield cowl, which is really bad, and some of these more faded bumper pieces using one product that I found in my garage, and we'll see if it does anything at all. So as we can see here, there's a lot of sun fading around this part of the headlight washer. The cowl on this thing is practically white. It's not even close to being a dark color. The fenders and overall body on this thing aren't too bad. This one's got a little bit of discoloration through here. The side skirts are pretty rough, if you would call those side skirts. And this piece back here in particular is pretty light and worn out and just overall doesn't look good. So we're gonna hit that piece. I don't know how many I'll have, but I'll try to do the fenders, that bottom piece, this fender, definitely these front bumper sections, and then I'll try to hit this, possibly the A-pillars, all the black parts on the vehicle. I'm gonna try to hit those. And what I'm using, what I'm attempting to use, are these Rejuvenate pre-moistened restore wipes. Make it new again. These were sitting in my garage, so I figured I would just grab them and give it a quick try. I've already wiped down all of these plastics, so now I should be able to just take this out of the package, wipe it down over everything, and we should have some super black plastic. Just this little microfiber looking thing. I'm just gonna sneak it in there, hit that corner, make sure I hit that thing really well. There, front. Whatever is on this, there's a lot of it. It's pretty lubed up little rag. And that looks pretty good. Make sure I hit the underside where it's really rough. I've wiped down all the plastic on the truck. It's been a couple minutes now. This area is definitely better. It's not fully perfect, like the black, or like this section here is still a little bit white, but overall, the fenders came out like really nice. Side lower panels they're okay. Those are really beat up. And then if we come back here, this one's still kind of drying. But it does look like new black plastic. The rear bumper looks really good. Make it brighter. This piece is definitely better than it was. I won't say it came out perfect, but it's definitely more evened out black. This side as well is looking pretty solid. Look at the fenders. I hit the door handles. This whole lower piece, I hit the mirrors, which look essentially brand new. And then I hit this side of the bumper slash fender, and not bad. So for a product I found in my garage, just laying around, I guess it was worth a shot. I'll know how this stuff wears over the next few days and see if it actually stays and lasts longer than like a regular trim and tire gel. I've used a lot of different products over the years, so it looks good right now, but it might not last that long. I guess only time will tell. But for a free little couple packs, I used 3 of the mini towelettes. Those things were like 2" by 2" squares. It's one of the things I didn't like about them, and I didn't wear gloves, so it kind of like made a coating on my hands that I still got to kind of wash off. Overall, I'd say I'll give it a 7 out of 10. with the initial review. It's hard to make this Rover look bad, but like I said, for something that I just found in my garage, I think those probably aren't that expensive either. They're kind of like a multi-purpose, not just for vehicles, so they might actually be pretty cheap. I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up and put a link in the description below. Just a quick video for you guys today, but I wanted to make something so we can have more content flowing. If you guys are liking the Land Rover comment, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also consider subscribing. I know I'm posting Land Rover videos right now, but my M6 is still sitting here in the garage. I still have to clean out a bunch of stuff from the rally, but I do still have the M6 and plan on making videos with that in the future. I hope you all have a beautiful rest of your day, night, morning, whatever time it is. I'll catch you guys next time.